So the other day I woke up, the CR-V was barely starting, the terminals were corroded and super dirty, I had to clean them up, and I realized I needed a new battery. So as you guys probably already know from one of my last CR-V videos, I talked about how my CR-V's battery was dead and it barely worked. In this video, I basically bought a brand new battery, and I have to say the prices are getting crazy, guys. I remember when 100 was expensive. They've gone up and they keep going up. All right, so I got the battery. A lot more expensive than I remember, but I don't buy batteries every year, and they have been going up quite a bit throughout the years, but I'm going to change it in the parking lot out here because it's so dead, guys. So I didn't want to put an old battery in the back of my Type R, and I'm going to switch it really quick in the parking lot here because it's just really easy, and that way I can also put this one in, take out the old one, bring it in for a core, which is only $12. It's almost pointless, but it's better than throwing it in the garbage, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, so I am changing this out really quick. If you guys don't know, if you guys don't work on cars often or whatever, you might learn a thing or two with this video, but I'm just bringing you guys along with me, showing you guys what I'm up to. Basically, you just loosen up the terminals, super easy. I believe I'm using a 10 millimeter, yeah I am. So this is a super easy job, nothing crazy, but I did want to bring the CR-V and swap out the brand new battery here really quick, and I didn't want to worry about switching cars and all that, and I am glad that the CR-V was actually able to start. So it was just barely starting though, guys, but they did have the battery. Here it is right here. We're gonna swap this one out right now. Super easy, simple job, but I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Like I said before, do not have the positive touch to things on the car, because metal things or touching the wrench to the positive and to the body will spark. That's one thing that you definitely don't want to do. I almost touched this metal to that. I mean, it's probably not grounded well, but still, I mean, you want to be careful. This is from 2018. This is an old battery, so super easy, simple job. Doesn't have a handle on it, which is kind of annoying. This one has a handle, which is really cool. Make sure you remember to keep the positive red on red, positive on positive, negative on negative. You never want to cross them. Yeah, super simple job, guys. That thing is old. It's been through so many times going off-roading. I mean, this thing's been in the desert so many times. I did forget to put this on though. That's kind of something that I needed to do. So all I have to do now, guys, is put this on really quick. Super simple job. Make sure this metal doesn't touch anything. Throw it back over. This is the battery tie down. Put these terminals back on. And we are all done, guys. Super simple job. Thanks for watching. I am going to return this old battery for $12. Not a big deal. It's actually a lot more work than it's probably worth, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, so it starts up quick, but now I need to get the code for the stereo again, guys. I got it years ago, but it's been a while. I don't remember. I wrote it down somewhere, but it's gone. So yeah, it's fixed now, guys. Super happy.